Kaliang Persya Voice of the People Party VPP Hakasantrik Yayong kala pelaj pajba ya kamatrikam ne manifesto election Lok Sabha kabadon arp sautli kiman kata da kapapai khmat ban yakhun nak benta ban kunthop ya ka Meghalaya hapo ka article 371 kaban IG ada ya ka jilla naki an ka sarkar pedeng ya kane ka manifesto la pelaj da vice president ka party Dr. Kara H Shen haringkat ki weipat kinoyalam ka party haka jinyalang bat kilat pathai kubor haka santrik yayong haka nong ba shilong na kaliang ka VPP kala sayda u general secretary jongka u Dr. Ricky AJ Sinkon kum ukurtong uban ya aireng haka ne ka Lok Sabha election na Shillong parliamentary seat ka banlong haka kharkandai trik mentau benai ka party kala ong bakan yakhun na kabentaban penhap ya ka Meghalaya hapo ka article 371 Kenang banyada ya ke jela na kajing trikam jongki an ka sarkar pedeng ki bakta ya ke riti dustur jongki trai muluk.
Trikakum kini kamang trikam problambang tak parti. Idon huni ban ya keren ya kajing sensyar kebalarkam. Nanta kesensyar pajba kajing bob syak siliang agak imras salang ke alur ke pulih putih. Nanta idon ru alur ke artikel 371 dan nilai sepatnya kuwai baka 6 schedule don kimat ki bang nyakren alor ka polisi penroi ya ki than khaput nanta ki penmi boarding karep karyang nanta susu ru alor ka maryang angning idon ki point A B bat ke abi bat ke nanta ke point kedon ke BD bat keding ya kerja khaput ban ka asam nanta keding bahak benta serpang hikam pijam keding kendrai ki drugs ke uniform civil code dan ke UCC ketin ketelit badhani ngelapan kedeu sepang di perung lo ke ketin kasi aga kredit operasi ka riti sensia ke India lan ka schedule nanta kikam mereka lan sports nanta ke inline permit ILP ke citizenship amendment act arja ka kendai dan ke CAA ke bangtip nanta ke dondu ano ke koi ke khia ke dondu kamat ke bede bagi surok berkilat pathai jingtip nanta jaka lingsun jaka yang lingsun kaba ngintip ke airport nanta kajing persya yang tinggi uranium kajing persya yang kajing tray yang kalintirel kakilum kasi jaja hills nanta nak kita bedon jiduna kit khatmet bat berbudin yang tim putrikam kiskim jong kesolkar pedeng
ka Voice of the People Party ko mangibo ka kani manifesto kalong ni kudjingmut Bagan scam bu, bagan pentikna, bagan kajing long like lu ban mani belai. Ane kesekularism, kabangi hab ban penek ben. Dan long kat long. Dan yang haban yang marwai lu ngin haban. Hi ka wei ka long ba, ka sa wei ka bangi la long ka wei kajing long kajing ka pluralism. Ane kata kajing don kita kibring ko puncak handiang jom. Kena kalian kalian, kena kalian jom ka tin keteli, kena kalian jom ka culture. Tengi na kalian jom ka BPP, ni kuat, bahkan ni ka pluralistic nature, jom ka Indian Constitution ka ne kuma la frame ka, kuma la penlong ka. Hindi ta makan sudah ta Constitution ribat ha policy terkam jom sarkaru ka di ban mi kata ka cinglong jom kata ka Constitution. But ni ngai tu, but ni long committed tu, ya ka kata orang bakal jing pihak jong kibor, pedeng ke sarkar jela, but ke sarkar kami. Kaba ilala orang kata ka true federation. Kaba ngim pediang, bak sarkar kami kalau badon bor hadu bakal yu ya ke sarkar jela. Hi bebenah kat ni ke sarkar kami lingba ki governor ki yu right ya ka hop jong ki jela ki prepare tinggi long percaya gitu pi kalau ke VPP kalau committed ya ki principles jong ke constitution kalau ke party kalau committed to the constitution philosophy ho ngintrei kata party lene kita ki party ki bon ki regional parties ru India jong the regional political parties India jong that who are committed to the to the principles of the constitution, we will work with them. It doesn't mean that you work with the dominant party. You may work with other smaller parties also. Number the ultimate goal which the basic structures the basic principles of the Constitution of India should be maintained at all costs. The citizens should enjoy. But at the same time, within this article, there is a provision saying that special laws can be made to protect the interests of the indigenous people. So here, while allowing, while respecting all the citizens of India to enjoy the rights which they should enjoy as per the Constitution, but we the people, we the Voice of the People Party, we are also committed to that provision of the Constitution, allowing us to make special provisions to protect the interest of the indigenous, the tribal people. So, our position is very clear, and therefore, it's a non-issue in fact. As I said, we are a party that is committed to the Constitution of India, adopted in 1950 and is amended from time to time. But any amendment to be brought in the future that will erode the basic structures of the Constitution, that will erode the principles of the Constitution of India for sectional interest, we will deadly oppose such kind of attempt.